Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Worx Nitro WG185E battery-powered brush cutter is designed to operate on grassy areas up to 800 square meters, delivering performance comparable to a 25 cubic centimeter petrol engine. The brushless 2 motor ensures efficient operation, reducing energy consumption and maintenance costs, even during extended use. It is powered by two 20-volt batteries, compatible with the modular PowerShare system, which allows use with other Worx tools rated at 20, 40 or 80 volts. The structure is made of reinforced plastic, with an adjustable handle and a functional design, facilitating use even in confined spaces. The cutting system features a double-line head with 2.4mm line and automatic feed via bump feed, with a cutting width of 38 centimeters. The quick line winding mechanism makes replacing the line easier. Speed adjustment via Eco mode helps optimize battery life based on the type of vegetation being handled. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.